There you go, pick up a polo. Ladies and gentlemen of Truckfest, are you ready for the monster truck? Check out them dudes, 4 minutes here, 4 weeks drive. Out the house here.
Oh, yeah. On a serious.
Let them say
You know, it's criminal because there's some good seats in this one. Dagger. It's because of your big foot. That's what happened there, Nigel. Well, man, what are you going to do to these? More damage than I did just then, that's for sure. Right, here's the plan. It's slingshot, it's Bigfoot 17. Not really a competition, but it is.
It's always a competition, that's the truth, you know. I mean, at the end of the day, all monster trucks are created equal, you know. They all have 4 big tyres, lots of suspension, and a very big, very powerful engine. So anything could happen any day, you know. Bigfoot could go on its roof, slingshot could clear all 6 and wheelie away. Who knows? That's the thrill of monster trucks. You never know quite what's coming.
So what's going to happen, because this Mondale here doesn't look much like a ramp?
No, but when you run into it with 5 tons with a wheel at the front, it tends to turn it into a ramp. This is what we call a blunt car. It's a car that's never been hit before, so this will tend to send the trucks up in the air. And that's why I'm going to go first this afternoon, because Alan's a new boy. He's not used to hitting the blunt ones yet. He hit the laid over ones first yesterday, but blunt ones is a different experience. So I'll try and take the corners off of this one for him before he gets to have his go.
And then we're going to expect Bigfoot 17 getting some clean air for everyone.
You never know. You never know. See, the brain thinks one thing and the foot does a whole other thing. I said to John before I went out, sorry, to Alan yesterday before I went out, I don't think we're going to be launching very high off of these cars because that first one's laid over really well. We're all clearing the cars. It's crazy stuff, so who knows?
Let's wait and see what happens. What's happening in the slingshot camp? Well, his name's